How do you move forward when another attorney has essentially rejected your medical malpractice claim? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today about a very important issue when we're talking about reviewing or investigating a medical malpractice claim in the state of Maryland. Okay, what can sometimes happen is an individual will contact an attorney about an injury that they suffered while in the care of a doctor or a hospital. And they begin to do research on their injury and what ended up happening to them. And for whatever reason, they reach out and they contact a medical malpractice attorney. And that attorney will do an investigation. And based on that investigation, the attorney may say, well, you know what, Mr. Client or Mrs. Client, I'm not going to take this case. I don't think that this is a case that we can help you with. What then should that person do? Well, what I would suggest is if you want to go further with your case, that you should contact another attorney and essentially get a second opinion as to your situation. Look, this is done all the time in the medical field. When a person has an injury or they have something that is done on the medical side and the doctor says, okay, well, this is what's going on. If that person is not necessarily sure about what's going on with their doctor or they feel that a second opinion may be warranted, what do? They go ahead and they contact another doctor. Well, the same thing can happen when we're talking about an investigation into a medical malpractice case. I do it all the time. If I do an investigation on a case and I determine that I don't think that I can help a particular client, I always suggest to them that this is just my opinion and that you are free to get a second opinion and move forward. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because more than likely you're watching this video because you've had an attorney to tell you that they don't think that they can help you with your injury. And you're wondering, what should you do? Well, if you have more questions about what's going on in your situation and you're looking to get essentially a second opinion, a second legal opinion as to your injury while in the care of a doctor or a hospital, and the injury happened in the state of Maryland, this is what I invite you to do. Go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I will be happy to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.